Thank you.
Thank you,
Yes.
Nitesh. Thanks a lot. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, Amresh, Mangesh, and Saurabh, I hope you all are cleared your certifications, right? Amresh, we'll start with you. Could you please introduce a little about yourself?
Yes, I have completed my Scrum certification as well as Safe Agilist. So
Uh-huh.
I have total 9.5 years of experience. I started my career into telecom domain, and then later I moved into IT infrastructure. But since last, I can say since last 3.5, 4 years,
Mm-hmm.
I'm working in a lead position. So I have handled Scrum project. But somehow I'm struggling right now because currently I'm not working. And I attend few interviews from companies like IBM and Wipro.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing is, even if I work in a real environment, out to different Scrum teams, so and I able to answer most of the questions according to the Scrum book and Scrum guide, but they are not convinced. Last interview I attended yesterday only. I cleared 2 rounds of the Wipro and it's the third round on the third round. So they asked me one question like they asked me a question related to estimation. So I
What was
told
the
them why
question, Amresh?
the question was why were you using estimation and why estimation is required. And then I explained what are the estimation technology you are using. So I told them that currently we are using planning focus and the relative estimation. There are 3 criteria depending upon the feature, the amount of work, the dependency, and the challenges. So according to that, we are using that estimation technology. So, and that estimation technology is relative estimate, so that we can relate it to our existing work. For example, we have already completed that type of task. According to the amount of work, we can estimate it. So they gave me an example. They gave me a scenario. We just want to take one story point. Okay. So in one story point, can you calculate it as a 1 day? So I simply told that I cannot calculate it as a one story point equal to 1 day. But actually, in my last company was Capgemini. In Capgemini, they are using story point. One story point is 1 day only.
1 day.
But yeah, but as per Scrum guide, that is practically not mentioned that you can. Yes, in the initial day you cannot
In
mention
Scrum
that
Guide,
one.
Amresh, even in Scrum Guide, there is no concept of sizing, right? There is no concept of velocity. They not
Yes,
believe in velocity, right?
yes,
So
yes,
we'll discuss this point only today only. Okay,
yeah,
this one point we'll discuss, Amresh. We'll try to understand what should be the answer. What was the actual question? What they want to know from you actually. Okay.
yeah.
So these are the things, guys, which we are going to take in our session, which classes we are to, which started like my 17th batch is in running stage. Today also I have classes for 17th batch. So 18th batch will going to start from the next week. So these are the things which we are going to discuss. So this question, yeah, one question I will take, Amresh, just to tell you or just to tell everyone that actually what should be the answer and what is the purpose to ask, this question. Yeah, Mangesh, could you please tell us something about yourself and why are you want if you will do this session and then why you want to do this session, Mangesh? Yes.
Yeah, hello everyone. So I'm having 9.5 years of experience in IT. So
Mm-hmm.
currently working as a QA lead in product-based MNC,
Mm-hmm.
US MNC, and I done my Scrum Master certification uh, in last year January.
Mm-hmm.
But since
CSM,
then,
you CSM certified, right?
CSM one, CSM,
Okay.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and I've given interview for 3 to 4 companies as a Scrum Master
You
position,
already gave
but
interviews in 2, 3 companies, huh?
yes,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
but not able to go
Crack
for
the
further.
interview. Mm-hmm.
Yes. So
What reason you
uh,
understood the reason behind that? Why you have not?
see,
Hmm?
mostly actually, for example, I gave interview in Capgemini, but in this I've gone. I mean, through in first round and second round. But in the third round, they told me that this position is for the development backgrounds.
Mhm.
So they do not want people who are having testing background.
Okay.
So that was the case.
Mhm. Other than that, what do you think? There any issue with the practical questions?
Yeah. Practical questions, yes,
Okay.
definitely. Yeah,
Okay. Sure. Sure.
because in
Sure.
my organization we do not have proper structure, proper
Mhm.
process of Scrum Master. So that's where I was lacking while giving the answers.
Sure, Mangesh. Okay, Mangesh.
Yeah.
So, what is your reason, Mangesh, to change yourself from QA to Scrum role?
Because like I said, I'm having 9.5 years of experience. So at some point of time, you have to upgrade your skill, and one cannot keep testing all the time. You have enough experience of testing and project management skills and the
Hmm.
leadership skills. Then you can go to the Scrum Master role.
Okay. Okay, Mangesh. Thank you for your introduction and your reasons. Yes, Saurabh.
Yeah, so Sachin, basically, I'm having 12 plus of experience in QA. So my
Mm-hmm.
background was actually QA, and from last 3 years, basically, I'm taking care of the some of the Scrum and the Agile ceremonies in my current company, right?
Mm-hmm.
But what actually I'm facing when I just present myself in front of interviewer,
Uh,
my company just what I feel like they are just doing in the way the things are written to the Scrum guide. We need to just do that kind of ceremonies like daily Scrum retrospective and all,
mm-hmm.
right? And we
Uh-huh.
are just using the Jira to just move the cards from one, you can say, one state to another, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that is not actually giving the, you can say, the exposure
Mm-hmm.
what actually the big giants are doing as a Scrum or as a Agile,
Right.
right? Right. So
So you gave some interviews, or?
yeah, I have given, but
Uh-huh.
what I got insights like first means I gone through with different YouTube channels and you can see the videos, but the proper answer somehow I'm not getting what
Mm-hmm.
exactly they are looking for because of like there are few requirements are coming in my way. That is the Agile program manager or Agile project manager, right?
Mm-hmm.
So as an Agile coach or Scrum Master, what I felt from last 3 years, like this is the thing we need to just follow the Scrum ceremonies
Mm-hmm.
and just do some little bit exercise, right? But
Mm-hmm.
that is not actually the thing.
Right.
What I felt
Right.
after one or two interviews. So
Mm-hmm.
I hold on myself just to put in front of the interviewer, and I connect with Nitesh to just get some more insights. What exactly the interviewer is looking for, and
Right.
definitely what are the different companies are looking for, so that I will prepare myself first, and then I will go. Secondly, uh, as a QA, as I think Mangesh also told, he is also having the QA background. But most of the requirement I've seen, they are saying that they are looking someone who is having the software development kind of experience,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yes.
So here I need to just know how that bar we will
No,
basically
it's not a
overcome.
bar, Saurabh. It's not a bar. It's very, if 100 job is there, out of 100, only 10 job is there where they want this UI from the software development background. Otherwise, they're looking someone who can a pure Scrum Master, who know how to, lead the team as Agile coach. See, a Scrum Master is a small Agile coach, right?
Yeah,
So
and
how to lead the
I want to just understand what are the thin line difference between because of Scrum Master and then the Agile project
they
manager,
are say
right?
Agile project?
Manager.
They just use different terms, nothing else. It's a Scrum Master only.
Okay.
Okay. Just use the different terms or terminology, meaning it's not meaning that you will change the way of working. I will let you know
Mhm.
that what is the meaning of these things and how you will proceed. Not a problem, Saurabh. So, guys, let me tell you myself. My name is Sachin Singhal. I have 18 years of experience, and my background was QA. I was with Genpact as a QA manager, and 6 years ago, I moved myself in this Scrum Master role, and now I'm working as an Agile coach and work in with one of the company. I am Safe Scrum Master, Safe Agilist, and SPC, which is Safe Program Consultant. So yeah, this is this discussion which we are going right, doing right now. It's for my 18th batch, 17th batch is going on. And my reason to change, it was salary. And 10 years ago, almost, I was in South Africa with one of the bank, Investec Bank, and they start there. I understood about this Scrum. I encounter with this with Scrum, first time there. So, and I thought I would need to move. So my reason was only salary. There was no other reason because I know it's very less salary in QA. And after 14 years, even after 12 years, I was very less salary. That's why I moved myself. And this was the best opportunity at that time. Even in right now also, there is thousands of Scrum Masters which required right now in the market. And this workshop which we are going to do, it's pure the people who already done their certification and looking for a change, and they're facing issue that how to give answers, right? And we have created a document also, guys, where it's this document has been created by almost 8 9 Scrum Masters, different Scrum Masters, where we have not, it's almost 80 85 question only, where if you go through with this 80 85 question, most of the question, it's like most of the question which you are going to which people are going to ask you in interview, it's from this document only. Because scope is very less, guys, when you go in Scrum. So your question, Saurabh, when you say you're looking for an agile project manager, so meaning of that, they're looking someone who can work as a Scrum Master plus a little who can do in billing part also, right? Or sometimes he can discuss with client for other parts. So a little about Scrum. Most of the time, as a Scrum Master plus billing and these other things if you're able to do. So they are looking something like that, and it is very common in India. In all service-based company, they are looking these type of people only. So if you want to go on project manager role, then it's very easy. If you go through with this, you will go through this type of interview, Scrum Master. So if you go directly for a project manager interview, it's very hard. So if they want to ask, they can ask you thousands of things. But if you go with through this other route, which is the Scrum Master route, its scope is very limited. So mm, so you can easily get your job, and you can work as an agile project manager. So first you need to crack this Scrum Master interview. Then other things they will ask you, sort of. Okay. Now I'm going to take one question, and then you will see that what is the difference, guys, and what should be the answer, right? Should I take one question, or you guys want me to answer any question? Then you will understand anything. Yes, Saurabh. Yes, Saurabh. Hello. Okay. Anyone have any question? Otherwise, I have to ask one question, guys. Question is very simple. Who is going to write user stories in your view?
Product owner.
Product owner. Anybody wants to add anything else? It's a very simple question, right?
No, Sachin, nothing you can do.
Was thinking yes, or everyone know this, right? Product owner is going to write the user story, right? But do you
Yes.
think the question is very? I asked just a simple question. Do you think the answer is very simple? No, boss. Answer is not very simple. It's not only product owner. Everyone know the process of sprint refinement, right? Amresh, Bangesh, Saurabh, you guys know there is a
Yes.
there is a ceremony which called refinement ceremony, right?
Yeah.
It's a continuous process.
So see, when product owner writes the user story, now what should be the answer? If someone will ask me who is going to write the user stories, then what should be my answer if someone will ask? See, when someone will say that what should be your answer, so my answer is yes. Product owner is going to write the user story. But it's a draft version, right? It's a draft version. When user story, as product owner has written a user story, it's a draft version, guys. Right? Then when this, guys, 1 minute, huh? Now, what else? If someone say, okay, it's a draft version, and guys, you understand draft version and final version, these two terms, right? Amresh, Mangesh, Saurabh, you know about these things, right?
Yes, yes.
So
Yeah.
it's a draft version, guys. Then PO will come in sprint refinement. PO will come with this user story. He will show this user story to the team. He will explain this, or she will explain. Meaning, who is the PO? PO is going to explain it to the all team members. This user story is not finalized till now. Now everyone will participate. Your whole team will participate. Your PO will participate. There is a concept which called invest to judge the user story, that user story is perfect or not. Where I for independent, N for negotiate, V for valuable, E for estimable, S for small, and T for testable. You guys know about these things, right?
Yes, we
Invest.
call it invest.
Yes.
Invest.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of
Yeah.
what is the meaning of negotiation? Anyone can tell me, Saurabh, Amresh, Mangesh, what is the meaning of negotiation? We know invest, but what is the meaning of negotiation there?
Negotiation means, for example, if the user story is big, and we want to break it down.
Amresh, S for small, right? So we
Yeah.
already say that my user story size must be this much of big that we can able to finish in a single sprint. So S is already there. What is the meaning of negotiation?
Complexity.
Not complexity.
It is about the estimation.
No. Meaning of negotiation, guys. Meaning of negotiation, you are going to negotiate on the acceptance criteria. You and your PO and your team is going to discuss on the acceptance criteria. For example, if someone say there is a payment method, like Amazon, you know, right? Amazon, there is 24 different method in Amazon, and someone say, boss, I want 4 different method, in this single user story. We negotiate. We are not going to able to finish 4. We'll be able to finish only 1. But we'll negotiate there that this much of work we able to finish. And then we'll decide. This is a contract between PO and the team. And this contract we need to finalize. So when we say who's going to write the user story, guys, it's not only PO. Everyone is going to participate there. Because whatever user story your PO is going to return before it present to you in the sprint refinement, it is just in draft version. When we are going to get the final version, when we all are discussed, we all are finalize the final user story. We all are agree that what should be the acceptance criteria. And it's this acceptance criteria is a contract between a PO and the team. This should be the answer. If simply, this is not a simple answer. We say, so who is going to write the PO? No, boss, it's not only PO. Whole team is going to participate. They make a contract. Acceptance criteria is a contract for each and every user story between team and PO. This much we need to, whatever we need, this is the thing which we need to get from this user story. And then only we are going to accept it. It's not only PO is going to decide that what should be the acceptance criteria. Team also there, right? That's why negotiation part is there. These are the things which you need to tell to your interviewer, boss. These are the punchlines. If you will tell these things to your interviewer, how can he reject you, or she reject you? So these are the things, guys, which we need to discuss in our, we'll take these type of questions. We have created set of questions on which we are going to discuss. We'll tell you that what should be the answer, how you are going to present yourself in front of the interviewer, what should be the answer, how you proper answer you should do, what should be the punchline, where everything has a reason. In every ceremony, whatever you're going to do, every ceremony, everything has a reason, guys. And this reason actually we need to tell to our customer, to our interviewer. Anybody can tell, boss, who is going to write user story PO, anybody can tell what extra you are going to tell, what intelligent thing you are going to tell your interviewer. These are the questions, these are the things which matters most. These are the things which we are going to discuss in our in our workshop. It's a 4-day workshop where we are going to discuss these things, all questions, all practical scenarios, everything we are going to discuss there. Any question, Amresh and Mangesh?
Not on this
No.
part.
Right. So I think Nitesh, uh, Nitesh, you are there.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
So I think this is it. There is nothing people know, too much people is there. So we can close early, right?
Okay, okay,
Yeah, you can take it now. Fine. Thank you.
okay. Thank you, sir. So, Amresh and Mangesh, we are going to start this workshop, and let me share something with all of you. Let me just stop sharing and just share my screen. Okay, here you go. And this is the last feedback, right, by Reena. It was 2 days before. For you can read it. This is a Bhunesh who is having, I believe, 14 years of experience, and this is the Nidhi, right? And she has done. Then in the previous, why I'm showing you the previous batch, because for other batch I have to go very much down, right? Then this is a Peter who has done this Scrum Master interview by Sachin sir. Then there was a Neha who has done, and there is a Ediami Kadri who has done this Scrum Master interview in our 16th batch, because 17 and 16 I am showing, and this is also from the same 16 batch. Right? Why I'm showing you this credential? Because it is very important that we are really working very hard, because we are now grooming up, or we are just growing in this agile session or in agile industry. So that's why we are doing very hard. And this review has been given by 507 professional and is still rated 4.8, right? Which means we are doing very good. Apart from that, what we will share with you, we will share a question bank. Let me show you that one as well. Right. So this is a set of question of approximately more than 82 questions, which we will share with you. Apart from that, these are the handmade note as well. Right. And after this, we will share a lot of videos which are required to study. We will do a mock interview with you. We will update your resume. I mean, we will do the resume preparation as well, and how to negotiate on the call and how to negotiate on the package as well. This we will do with you during the session. Rest apart from that, we will share a lot of things like what should be, how to clear the interview. Right now, as I ping already in the group that the workshop fees is 9,000. I mean, this interview session, but there is a one early bird that we have decided, and the early bird will be a 1,500 rupees discount we are giving. So it's a 1,500 rupees discount. So eventually the workshop fees will be 7,500. But after the early bird finish, we will not entertain any kind of early bird, right? And this will be your 10 hours of our classes on the weekend, which is 2 weeks we will take. And after that, we will do the mock interview and your resume preparation. And then after that, we have one coach or one Scrum Master group where we will add you. Here you can see that all our previous candidates who have done workshop with us, and most of them have got the job, but here people are helping to each other. So like, let's suppose 63 members are here. So everyone has a responsibility to share a job in a given time frame. So it is approximately 14 days you can consider. So in 14 days, you got 63 new jobs like this, right? Every time you got a new job, right? This we are doing. Correct. So that is another additional advantage which we give to the people who have done workshop with us. Now, if you have any query, please ask Amresh and Mangesh.
So, what kind of, how much raise one will get after the selecting as a Scrum Master?
You are asking for
Can I get
the
a group?
chance. the chances of
Yeah.
getting a Scrum Master?
Yes. Yeah. And of
Okay.
course, salary hike tentatively.
Sachin sir, please can you answer the question? Sachin sir, are you there? Sachin sir, are you there? Okay, no worries. Mangesh, please can you repeat your question?
Yeah. So as a Scrum Master,
Mm-hmm.
for three years of experience, tentatively, how much salary hike one will get
So total 3 years of experience or as a Scrum Master 3 years of experience?
as a Scrum Master?
Okay, and total how much it is?
9.5.
At 9.5, you can expect somewhere more than, I mean, at least 25 plus you can expect, 25 to 35 range. Now it depends on which organization, which company,
Okay.
right? So that salary
Yeah.
range you can expect.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Amresh, do you have any question?
Yes, Nitesh, along with Scrum Master, as I'm coming from infra background, I'm also continuing my DevOps studies.
Mm-hmm.
At present, I have basic knowledge in Azure DevOps and Himalayan DevOps, but I'm still learning few more topics to complete. So what is your suggestion? Because in few interviews, I also struggle after clearing first or second round. I also struggling that I don't have coding knowledge. Even if I'm working in
No,
genuine role,
there is no coding knowledge is required for a Scrum Master. And believe me, I am into NCR and I have seen there is a one company named Sopra Steria. They have opened one technical Scrum Master requirement, and since last 1 year they are looking for technical Scrum Master, which they are not able to fulfill. So if we are talking about Scrum Master, there is no technical knowledge is required. And in terms of tool, if we are talking about, so yes, we cover the Jira tool as well in our workshop.
so Jira align in the Jira.
No, Jira we cover whatever required till the Scrum Master approach.
Because in Jira Align, there are some editions available in Jira where there is a restriction up to if you are developing or if you are working on scaled agile, and that scenario Jira Agile is required. Jira Align is required.
If let me check if Sachin sir is there or not. So
In normal Jira, there is a epic and user story and task and
Yeah.
subtask.
Yeah, Nitesh, what are you asking?
Sachin sir, there is a one question which is asked by Amresh that the Jira Align, do we cover the Jira Align as well?
No, no Jira line, only Jira. It's a little bit which we have covered.
Yeah. And Sachin sir, Kiran has just joined.
Kiran, could you please drop off? We have at 5 o'clock our class, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Any
Nitesh?
more question, Amresh and Mangesh?
No from my side.
So, sir, last one question. So, currently, I'm not working. I'm late, I'm 5 years experience. So, and I completed my Scrum certification and Safe Agile certification. So, what is the text? Like, is there any duration or limit I can say that I will get a chance in next 1 month or 2 months or any roadmap after completion of this course? Hello, am I audible?
Yeah. Sachin sir, are you there?
Yes, Nitesh, tell me.
Yeah, Amresh has some question he has asked.
Yeah, Amresh, tell me. What was the question?
Yes, sir. Sir, I said so I currently have 95 years of total experience, and out of that, 3.5 years, 4 years experience into Scrum. So currently, I'm not working
Mm-hmm.
since I left last company. So after completion of this course, can I expect like in next 1 month or 2 months I will
Next 1 month or 2 months, you will?
get a job, get a chance?
Yeah, it's
Get a
all
chance
depend
getting.
on you, Amresh. So many people has joined, get job in next 15 days only, as soon as they finish. So it's all depend on how you want to take this, how seriously you want to take. Like you said that you are not having any job, and I assume that you are looking a job very seriously, right, Amresh?
Yes, sir.
So if you're looking a job very seriously, then guarantee you will get a job in 15 days. So many people has got their job in next 15 days only, because you are immediately available. So you will get so many calls, right? Because you are going to show that you are immediately available, right? And we are going to tell you, we are going to share our CV also, so you can create a good CV where you can get job easily, call easily. So it's all depend on you, Amresh, how soon you want to get a job. But yes, from our side, we will ready to provide you everything. So when you go in interviews, you can easily clear your interview. So in
Got
my
it.
view, you can get in next 15 days only, not 1 or 2 months. Okay, Amresh.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Anything else, Amresh?
No, sir.
Okay, then I think we are good then. I think Nitesh, then we are good. I think.
Okay, so Amresh, I just share the link. I mean, how we can join the batch, and then we are going. As I said, we are going to start from next week. That is from 14th. Our new batch will start. Okay. Yeah. So thank you so much, Sachin sir, for your time, and thank you so much, Snehal, for joining us. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, Nitesh.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.